Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will be a complete guide to iMovie editing software by Apple. This is video for beginners as well as advanced persons who want to learn editing in iMovie. Without wasting any further time, let's begin the video. Oh, wait. I hope you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, do subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on the notification. Okay guys, let's begin. Open the iMovie. First thing, importing the files. Just press the import button and randomly let me choose some folder. Okay, here you can select particular videos or you can import the entire folder. As I have already sorted it, so I am importing the entire folder. A note to all of you, iMovie uses device storage for its imported library files. Remember that. Okay, these are all the footage taken on GoPro on Dandeli trip river rafting. Do check out the Dandeli trip video, it's really good, which was edited in iMovie. Okay, the first thing, select any of the video. Let me mute the volume. Okay, select the videos and the best video you can mark it as favorite so that it will be easy for your editing. Let's talk about the audio. There is an audio button here. Just click on it and all the audios or music available in your laptop or any device will be available here. Just tap on which you need and just drag and drop them to the editing place. Okay, let's move on to the video part. It's very simple to edit the videos. Just drag and drop them. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. It's very simple. And okay, and if you need any transitions, just hit the transitions icon. You have so many transitions available here. Just drag and drop, drag and drop. It's very simple. Now let me speak how to select a particular video and edit that video. Just tap on the video which you need to edit and you get 8 options for editing, and there's a special option which is just to bloom your video. The first is auto, match color, white balance, skin tone balance, which I don't use it regularly. The next is a popular color grading one, which is very nice. This is to increase or decrease the brightness. This is the saturation thing. This is the temperature control meter, and you get the exposure control. You even get a contrast control, and okay, plenty of that. Let me reset it. Next, first you get fit, then crop to fill or Ken Burns. Next, stabilization. Just tap to stabilize the shaky video. Fix rolling shutter. That's all simple things. And next, the volume, which can be controlled here as well as here. iMovie is a very simple software which anyone can use. Okay, let's move on to the next option. This is to reduce the background noise or to give sound effects for the volume. You can enhance the voice, you can enhance the music, you can control the loudness, bass boost, bass reduce, treble boost, treble reduce, anything. So many options are there. Just try it and which you like, just apply. Next, to get the speed control, you can reduce the speed of the video, you can increase the speed of the video, you can freeze any frame, or 1 second, you can customly select the speed you want. Let me put it to 50% so that the splashing water looks very beautiful. Okay, last but one option, to get a clip filter, that is filters for your different kinds. There is a large collection, different kinds of filters for a video which you can use by your wish, and you get this is a very good thing, audio effects. Those are all inbuilt effects which you can just tap and apply on your audio. This effect is for the audio which is attached to the video, not the audio which is dragged and dropped in the lower section. And the last is the info button, where you get the details of the video shot, duration in seconds and minutes. That's all. Okay, let's come to the another part. There's a settings option here where you can do theme based editing can be done, and in the same settings you can put a filter for the whole movie. Even it shows the resolution of the video, it's showing that 1080p. Even you can increase or decrease the clip size. Okay guys, now let's talk about close precision editor. That is, if you double tap at any junction of the video, you get the close precision editor, where you can add two sounds together and you can overlap two videos. Overlapping of the videos is very simple. Just drag and drop the video one upon the other, and you get the option here. A special option icon comes up, just press on it. You can choose the dual color screen. 1 minute. Dual screen, or you can use split screen, or you can use picture in picture. That is, just you can overlap the two videos the way you like. There are plenty of options like dissolve, zoom, swap, and in the cutaway you can mix by using the opacity or the fade function. Fade function is for the start and end of the video. Okay, now to attach another audio to the same thing, just drag the audio and attach here. That's all. See, in iMovie you get 2 layers of audio and 2 layers of video. That's really cool actually. This is best software for beginners as well as advanced people. From past 2 years I'm using this software. It's very simple to use. Just go to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed and liked all my videos. If not, just go and check out the videos which are edited in iMovie. That is, from around 2 years I'm editing in iMovie. I guess it's the Mona trip. From there I'm using the iMovie to edit all my videos. Just check all the videos. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to my channel. Any queries related to iMovie or any photography, just leave your doubts in the comment section below, or to follow my Instagram account, link given in the description below. Thank you guys.